So you might be trying to go ahead and actually find out your phone number on iPhone. All steps are the same for all iPhones, so don't worry if you don't have the same iPhone as me. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Go always settings. Here you will see your name and says here Apple ID, iCloud, Media and Purchases. Just tap on this first option. And here you will see where says name, phone numbers and emails. Select it. Just wait, and under your Apple ID you will see a phone number. This means is your phone number. But by the way, you can edit this option and delete permanently from this list. Just tap on the minus icon, then tap on delete, then tap on remove and tap on done here. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.